Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Chantler Tiara.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
So as you guys read by the title today, as well as saw that thumbnail, I will be showing you guys how to get these beautiful loose wave curls. Very effortless, very messy, very Jada Waiter. Okay, so if you guys are interested in seeing this video and wanting to know how I got my hair and also my makeup, make sure you guys are staying tuned. Bye. This is literally my problem every time I start recording. I don't know what to say. I'm just going to be installing a old wig that I have from my hair collection. It's a 13x4 frontal wig with 3 bundles. I think the 3 bundles, I don't remember, it's such an old wig, but I think it's 22, 20, and 18 with an 18-inch frontal. Thinking about doing a glueless install, so I went and I bought me some Wonderlace Bond adhesive spray, the Supreme kind. Everybody's been ranting and raving about it. I always say that everybody's ranting and raving, but yeah, everybody's talking about it and saying how good it is and how it's better than glue, and I actually want to give glue like a break. So yeah, we're just gonna hop straight into this video because I don't want to keep rambling and I don't want to make this a super long video. So yeah, y'all, let's really get into it. The first thing, like when you're reinstalling your wigs, the first thing you want to do is just like put it on and like place it and maneuver wherever you need it to go, just so that way you aren't like gluing it down in the wrong like place. So hold on. Alright, so I have it on where I want it to be. It's a little white, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my foundation brush and I'm just going to put some foundation on the lace just so that it blends whenever I go and melt the lace. So I just love a good wig install, y'all. So this is what it looks like after I put like a little bit of foundation, and I didn't really use like new foundation. I just used what was already on the brush. So this is what it's looking like. I'm really nervous about using this spray because I've always had like bad experiences with lace sprays, just because like they'll last for the time being, but like not how people be saying they last, and I feel like what the fuck. All right, so now that I have it everywhere I want to go, I'm gonna show y'all my tan line real quick. Can y'all see it? Like, but basically that's how I be knowing where I want my wigs to lay because of my tan line. I'll go ahead and take the lace spray and I'm gonna spray 3 layers of it, and in between each layer I'm gonna blow dry lightly on cool air until it's tacky, and then I'm gonna lay the lace down, spray one more time, and put my melt band on. I'm gonna just let you guys go ahead and watch that so I can concentrate and make sure that I'm doing it all the right way. So
back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. But the grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose.
All right, so the can says to let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes so that way it's like a better hold. So I'm just gonna sit here with my elastic band on, and I'm gonna go ahead and start my makeup. So today's like a content day. Today is Monday, and I'm just doing a lot of content, filming videos, reels, taking pictures, and all that stuff. And so I'm just doing like a light makeup that's good for pictures. So yeah, that's where we're at. I'm not doing like no specific type of makeup routine. It's really just my everyday makeup routine. You guys can go ahead and check the card above if you want to see that. Today's focus is really just on the hair. I wanted to show you guys how I do my glueless installs. On my first time doing a glueless install, we are going to go ahead and run through the makeup portion, and I will see you all, or I'm gonna talk to y'all whenever we're done with the makeup, okay? Just so I can like hurry up and get through it because I'm actually behind schedule.
Now you're lost in the heat of it all. Girl, you know you're lost in the thrill of it all. Miami, Amsterdam, Tokyo, Spain, lost. Los Angeles, India, lost on a train, lost.
Y'all, so my makeup is done for the most part. I know whenever I take this band off, I'm gonna have to touch up around there because obviously there is no makeup there, but I'm getting ready to take the band off, and I'm just combing my hairs back, you know, the ones that may have gotten caught up. And we're about to see if this lace spray, lace glue, lace bond, whatever they want to call it, we about to see if it's worth the hype, okay? So like I said, this is my first time using the lace bond, I mean the even Windsor lace bond or whatever, and I did 3 layers. I placed it on, then I did 1 more layer and put the band on, and I'm about to take the band off. The band probably has been on for about a good 30 minutes. Let's just say eyelash is all wonky and I don't know how to fix it, but whatever. So let's go ahead and take it off and see what we are working with. Okay, Evan, what's your name? Okay, and then I'm gonna high comb my hair into the middle part. I'm thinking the middle part. But this is like the infamous beach wave, loose wave look that Tay be doing on Ari and Jada and all these other bitches, okay? Nikki, all of them. So I noticed that whenever you high comb your hair, instead of just high combing it down, you want to high comb it like down into the front, because you want this to kind of fall in the front, and then you want to push this part up, but we'll do that part last. And then next you want to make sure that at least your face is framed. The rest of it, if you know how to layer the rest of your hair, then you can do it. If not, it's not that important, but it's super important to get the face framing layers right. And you want to make it to where when you push your hair back like this, hold on, and you do this here, it like layers. I don't have that many layers in this one because it's a long wig and I didn't want to cut it that much, but you get the point, okay? you get the point. We're about to go ahead and get started. I'm using the Olive Oil Heat Defense and Shine Mist. This is like my favorite heat control for both my wigs and my natural hair. And I do 2 pumps and I rub my hands together, but I do one hand on each like side, because this stuff can get heavy if you overdo it, so you don't want to like oversaturate one side, you know what I'm saying? So I just evenly distribute it through my hair, and you're gonna want to comb it through just to make sure it's all in there. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and work on one side. So I'm gonna put this one away, and I'm gonna work on one side with you guys or whatever. So my hair is so soft. This heat defense, not only does it like protect it from heat, but it also makes the hair super soft. I love it so much. And I am using my T3 curling iron. I think this is the 1-inch. So first, what you're gonna want to do is you want to part out a horizontal section. You don't want to do, I think that's horizontal, vertical. I'm sorry. You want to part out a vertical section, so a up and down section, like a long section. You don't want to go horizontal is what I was trying to say. So I'm gonna go ahead and pin this side up. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take it. The first one, I always like to go away from the face. Okay, so yeah, you're twisting it and pulling some out. So you're letting some go and twisting it back in. I typically don't go all the way to the end because I like the straight end piece. So I leave about maybe about 1 inch or 2 out of the curl. You just let it sit there. This curl now gets super hot, so you don't need to let it sit there for long, but you just want to make sure you heat up all the strands. And then you just pull like such. Pull, and then the last part, you're just gonna slide it through, because you want to make sure that part is super straight. And so you should have something like this. It's a very wonky curl, but you let it cool just like that. You don't try to comb it out or anything like that. I'm gonna go ahead and do it again for you. So we're pulling a vertical section, and I just work my way to the front, and then when I see if I need more curls, I add more. And the way to get them to look messy is you go in different directions, so that way they don't clump together once you curl it. Once you comb it out. So the other one I did away from the face, so this one I'm going to the face. Sorry. So yeah, I'm curling towards the face, letting some go, and curling, letting some go, and curling. And I'm gonna do it one more time, and I'm gonna leave the rest of it out like such. Alright, once it's heated all the way, you're gonna pull like such, and then just pull the rest out. And there you have it. Let me show y'all. So I have 2 curls, just like that. Alright, and then I'm gonna go ahead and finish this side. Like I said, I'm doing opposite ways with each curl. But you guys can go ahead and enjoy this. And just take your time when you're doing this style, because you can get confused with everything if you don't take your time.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, was any out of fear that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear? Because what's the point of crying? It was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? But boys are
I'm good enough. Am I think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, bet he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. Damn. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like he'll send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
So my hair is fully curled. I'm not gonna touch this side because I just finished this side, but I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling this side apart. You don't want to use like a comb. If you do use a comb, you want to use a wide tooth comb, but to be honest, your fingers should work. And you're gonna go ahead and comb them out, and you want to use like a good setting spray too, or a good holding spray, because these curls do tend to fall fast. So you want to make like sure you have a good setting spray, holding spray. I don't know why I keep saying setting spray, but I mean it, holding spray. You just play around with it. But do you see how beautiful these curls are? Like, yeah. 2. What do you think? What do you guys think of the hair? Like, are you kidding me? Yeah, you guys should definitely try this curling technique out. So yes guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, get ready with me, whatever you want to call it, so very much. Give a hand clap for the curls. Let's give a hand clap for the makeup. Like, yeah. And my final thoughts on the Eve and Wonder Bond, like, it's probably good for like if you're somebody who switches out your lace or you don't like glue, but I don't foresee this lasting all day. It says it's sweat proof, but I did have to go back off camera and like tap some in the front because I did feel it like lifting up, but that's probably just me. I also didn't wipe my forehead off with alcohol, so that could also play a part in that as well. But yeah guys, if you all enjoyed this video and found it very helpful, make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up. Also leave me a comment down below. Also shout out to the folks, shout out to the bougie babes, because y'all, we are growing. We are currently at 2,100 bougie babes, y'all, and just last week I was just barely getting to 2,000, y'all. So I really appreciate everyone for joining in and joining the fam, and I love you all so much, because without you guys I wouldn't be here. Okay, so like I said, make sure you guys are subscribed down to the channel, and make sure you are hitting that bell notification so that way you don't miss out on any of my current and future uploads, as well as make sure you guys leave me a comment and like this video, and don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram at ChantlerTiara, also the same name on TikTok. So yes guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.